Hey friends, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off active status on Instagram. So for this, you have to go for your profile, go for in this three line option, go for settings and privacy. Now scroll down and you can see here is a option as messages and story replies. So click on it and here is your option show activity status, so click on it. Now in this option you have to just turn it off, and now you have turned off the activity status. So this is how you can turn off active status on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If you did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.